Hey guys, we're out of the carport today and we're not fixing things. How good is that? It's midweek. It's a glorious late winter, early spring day in Sydney, and I figured we might need some midweek Menai madness. So we'll finish letting the tyres down, undo the sway bar, and go do some driving. Well guys, my fun was cut short this morning because the authorities were down there doing something and I just wasn't going to get involved in it. However, I think we've got a little bit of footage that's okay. Jeep performed really well. One thing is I've added a 3/4 inch spacer to the springs and I'm not getting any rubbing for 33s, so I'm quite happy with that. Jeep's performed really well though. Really happy with how it's going. I really need a ratio change. I do have the gear set at home, but if I'm going to do it, I need to do lockers and everything at the same time. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed that little midweek thing, and we'll catch you later. Bye.